Live on Capitol Hill this afternoon, where the Senate is trying to take the next step in ending this historic government shutdown. Last night, Senate Republicans were able to break a Democratic filibuster. Now they're trying to vote on a bill funding the government through the end of January. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Mary Naum. That bill funds SNAP benefits for months, reverses the shutdown firings of federal workers, and guarantees back pay for those who were furloughed. The majority of Democratic lawmakers criticize the bill as it only promises a vote on extending Affordable Care Act tax credits. It will still go back to the House for a final vote. This development is bringing some relief for federal workers and local food banks, trying to help thousands of families get through this period of uncertainty. KOMO's Lynn Ann is live in Bremerton this afternoon with a look at the impacts to the community. Lynn Ann?
Mary, the head of the local food bank here tells me that they had an even greater impact here than maybe other communities because of the thousands locally who work at the shipyard and are not getting a paycheck right now. And though there may be relief coming, they do anticipate families will still need assistance in the coming months.
It's been hard, when your daughter's asking you, when are we going to get our benefits, Mom, because I'm hungry. That takes a toll on your mental and emotional well-being, for sure.
Hundreds of families in Bremerton, like Andrea Pingator and her daughter, have been going without their SNAP benefits. Many now turning to Bremerton Foodline for the first time.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do for food? Like, where are we going to go? Where's the nearest place? Are they going to take us? Are they going to be overfilled?
Last month, Bremerton Foodline had more than 300 new families come through their doors directly affected by the government shutdown, adjusting their hours to help serve that increased need.
I'm really worried about infants not having enough baby formula. I'm worried about seniors and children not having enough food.
Though the end to the government shutdown is now in sight, food bank officials say they are grateful, but the increased need will likely last for at least a couple more months, with the food bank serving 66% more people in need this year than last year.
Their financial situation is not going to change overnight. So we're anticipating people needing us probably through the holidays, which is why we adjusted our hours as much as we did. We're just part of the puzzle, and it really will take partnership of nonprofits and community members to show up financially with product and with their time so that we can make it through these crises.
And again, local food bank officials say things will not change overnight, so there's still a need for donations and volunteers to keep operating during those extended hours to meet the local need. Mary?
Lynn Ann, how have local food banks been able to keep up with the increased need right now?
Well, Governor Bob Ferguson did direct DSHS to allocate $2.2 million or move $2.2 million of funding to help local food banks. And though they have been able to keep up with the need thus far, officials tell us that if this were to go on for several more months, that might be a different story. We'll send it back to you.